We're at James Goad's shop in Oklahoma City this week, filming some build highlights on his 1963 twin-turbo Corvette. I will be building it with his brother Chris, and we are cutting the car off at the rear subframe where the forelink is attached, and we're going to replace the front 2x3 square tube with 1 5/8 083 Chromoly, compliant to SFI 25.4. This is going to save weight, and more importantly, it's going to allow the names to fit in the car. He's got a really tall torso, and he does not fit in the car right now. He has highlights from this build also on his YouTube channel at Reaper SS, so don't forget to check that out. And we shot these build highlights on Nikon D5200. It's got a little bit of a distracting autofocus that's audible and kind of busy. So going forward, we'll be using the camera you're looking through right now. That is a Sony. It's 4K and higher frame rate, so you can catch those new videos. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. Don't forget to enable notifications. And then, of course, to help us out, comment, like the videos, and let us know what you'd like to see, because we make this content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So we're doing this double S-bend horse collar drive shaft clearance, whatever you want to call it, Ben.
Horse collar.
Horse collar. Good name for it, right? The yoke.
Ox yoke, but the ox yoke is the one that comes over and puts out both sides, isn't it?
Yeah, ox yoke. That's what we call it. Ox yoke. Okay, now it's tight. We're ready to bend. We're at 5 degrees. You said we're doing 84, right?
84.
So I'm going to go to 89 because we're starting at 5. Okay, try that green. The last one, the interesting one. Ring and ding ding.
Right, so if you be the winner, you can fucking lose.
Now let's go.
Today at Rogue Fabrication, I wanted to show you guys why it's important that our machine has isolated clamping. What I mean by that is the clamp block is not part of the bending die. Here we've got two different clamp blocks on one piece of tubing at the same time. We intentionally did this so that we could line them up perfectly square on a flat table. It just so happened to be that these are outside of the 4-link mounts. Usually a 4-link's even narrower than this, so this is fine. But we can actually test this in the car the way we are right now, take it out of the car later, put the pin back into the machine, and resume bending right where we left off. If we wanted to kick these rails in a little bit on each side, we can actually add to these bends, and when we're all finished, no one will ever know. We won't have to line anything back up, we won't have to measure anything, we can just literally put them back in the machine and drop the pin in.